Guys, my name is Krista, your Yogi Mermaid. I'm here with Denver Yoga Social. We are in the beautiful Chatfield Farms, the Denver Botanic Gardens. A lot of the times we have yoga in the lavender fields here. There's a butterfly garden. It's one of the really special venues that we have the opportunity to flow at. Today I'm going to be showing you Utthita Trikonasana, which is triangle pose. Now this is a very common, very traditional pose that forces students to resist gravity by holding the weight of their torso using their abdominal muscles. This is also a great pose to strengthen the legs, the thighs, and the core. Now there are many ways that we can get into triangle pose. I'm going to show you one of the most common ways, which is from Warrior Two. So standing in our Warrior Two, our back leg is straight, our front leg is bent, our arms are nice and long. We're going to straighten out our front leg. From here, we're then going to tick-tock our hips behind us. Now notice it acts like a little bit of a hinge. From here, you're then going to reach as far forward as you can without dropping. And then we're going to tilt over and try to maintain the space between our armpit and our hip as we start to lower our front arm down. Now your front arm here, it can rest on your shin, maybe your ankle, maybe even the earth if that's accessible to you. And then we're going to lift our back arm high to the sky. Now your gaze here can be down towards the floor, or if you like that extra challenge, you can lift it